So here we are looking at the poor man's smoke test. Got this connected into the intake. I'm going to set this down so y'all can see if there's any smoke coming out of there. Yes, turns out that the boot is split down there on the downside of it, on the bottom side. So easy fix. I hope that helps some of you guys. Real simple solution to a serious problem. And very few people actually have a smoke machine, and nasty ass cigarettes about the only way I could think of that would be cheap and quick, since my neighbor smokes cigarettes. Hope this helps somebody. It's 2001 BMW Z3, beautiful car, 3.0i, and this was the last problem it had.